Good day, everyone. So, my name is Sriram Prasad, and I am attached to the Suzanne Ross Primary School that's located upper the Nepal River. And for this lesson, my topic chosen was science, and the topic was relationship in the ecosystem. Now, I was tasked to do four lessons: lesson one, two, three, and four. And for this, well, before this, I start the lesson. Uh, I gave each student a test before that this year on 14th of November, and this was to see like what they know about the topic. This was the pre-test. Um, well, at the end of the course, after I finished teaching the four lessons, I also gave them the same test again, which was the post-test, to see what to test their knowledge, to see if they had acquired the concept each. All right, so for lesson one, I introduced lesson one by having the students looking at the video. Um, then there was question about the video. After that, this teaching aids was used for lesson one. Lesson one was about benefits of animal living in groups. And for lesson one, also here, these are the worksheet that was used for lesson one. So we had the video, teaching aids, and these are what the worksheet uses for lesson one. Lesson two, which was disadvantages and advantages of animals living in group. So I have two teaching aids here. One with disadvantages, this one with advantages. And this teaching aid was used at the front of the class, and we go through each and ask students question individually, orally. I ask question and then the answer. Um, for lesson three, which was the topic was food chain and predator and prey relationship. So I had two teaching aids here. This one is with prey, this one was predator. And here's a food chain. Here's a chart of showing a food chain here, and this is the definition of food chain. Also, for lesson 3, this model was used. I made this model of food chain whereby we have the producer here, plants, the primary consumer, which is a herbivore, animals that eat grass only, and we had a carnivore here, which was a lion, and this was a secondary consumer because he eats the primary consumer. So this model of the food chain was used for lesson 3 with these two teaching aids and this chart of the food chain. Um, so for lesson 3 also, these was some worksheet given. These here there was two different type of worksheet because for the diverse learners, this one here they was asked to circle is predator or prey, the picture, and for these here they had to match the predator to the prey. Um, so the fourth lesson, which was food web. A model of the food web was made. That's this model here. Yeah, this model of the food web was made. Where students can see like practically they want to see what a food web look like. A food web is made up of many food chains. So one animal can be eaten by more than one animal. Also, one animal can feed off of more than one animal. So this was used to teach the topic food web. And also, this picture here of food web, this was also used in the teaching process of topic food web. Oh, there was some worksheet here also for food web where the students had to write the names for each picture. The names was down here, they had to write the names, and then they had to look at the food web and write four statements about who eats what. There's what they write here. Um, so this was my individual study kit I made, and so this kit is divided into four parts because it's for the four lessons. Here are parts. We have lesson one here, one, two, three, and lesson four. And these are the label here of the individual study kit. This side. So here's I have a food chain here. Pictures of food chain, grass at the bottom. Yes. So these here were this was the individual study kit that I made out of cardboard. Um, well, these pictures here for the study kit, I print out these. But these I write on pages and cut it out and paste it here with marker. And yeah, with all these yes, are print out. The grass is print out here also. These pictures here are printed out. This was sticker used to design it a little much better. Alright, so that is it.